they are all can any resource na your park no so no ebra Rich what go game work Karela what lose 2-0 na ebusa say unhu game ni say any lose here you don't come and tell us you had control and
yeah say obo game we bia okọ the press conference na otaka so ono person who ni team no so our identity
no but you see
ono ni team so mu control
you see Rich minim say obo voice yeah say utie voice no na utie unim results na cause of game no he wasn't speaking to the game
okay be different
I said oh didn't come obi baby because the controller na one awoka no knowing in conforming threat in transitions na awoka no ni nyina no sebi anya adwuma okay you had control of the game and you were beating 2-0 you knew in conforming how they would transit and they beat you 2-0
but how does it go from consider no I think the blame should be on the defenders and the goalkeeper
entina make say so adentina did the bar post match no
maybe your control game no but the defense and the goalkeeper and letting it down
Rich say yeah pre-match especially post match the person who can want some something linked with the results
yabo game baby
and whether you control it or not there must at the crucial power game and it said you've considered 2 goals and you as the coach you expected to say oh Abia game no me per control but me have too lack of concentration and like say something that is linked to the results but to Uche did the press conference now it's as if he was talking about the game he has won meaning something quite about so me say o dey voice no more muteni say asema did he can and the results no game and no come na o dia
I think for half of Kolusu 2-0 Adama Karela away na o dey enti asamna Ayala did kankra appear there to mama and didi after the game against Karela no I say about say no lose 2-0
we controlled the game and we got an upset when we were more controlling when we had the opponents back seated and also we were much aware of their transitional play where we needed to make the right decisions in those key moments. I think that we need to learn to defend better in terms of shutting off, and the disappointing part is that it's something that we knew about. It's something that we have worked on, trying as much as possible to stop the opponents from crossing, and also to be ready for second ball situations. And we got punished for that. And I think that we needed to also be more clinical in moments where we control and more functional in terms of our offense.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And the Ayala said after the minimum say be a so na no jina baby
no see
because maybe me nyedidi. But the meme Jenny say ebia didi think that okay game me lose here me lose game no but on only fools and the defense and the goalkeeper because baby so tie dia or say ade ba ko catch the boys say Karela for no me very good on cross ball na and you make sure say some cross no the call 18 box and goal no emba
say bounce
and no should have on the
first boss that's it we know almost second boss
that's it
no you know Rich you see let me say this blunt truth
and Chedidi
to House of Folk for
okay
she say offer has team no siwa Rich who can player for player Rich make at you say unya 5 players from Haas team now in the context of even the Ghana League you will expect them to give you consistent performances. What about Haas 3? Ransford Yabua Rich on Sunday backup Papa. But do you expect Ransford to give you consistent Ghana Premier League top level performances? No. Amankwa Befi on your right back. He's a compromised right back. But Rich, we are talking about Amankwa Befi last season. He went on loan from House of Oak. How do you expect Amankwa Befi or compromising to play right back? Not since Oba has on sudden ye BBS from Kubia to give you consistent performance at right back. Untimi play be se Paco. Players be say Rafael and Ponsa. I'm not saying they are bad players, but Rich, at the elite level of your football in Ghana,
I want to be more consistent performance.
They should be fair to themselves.
And the result,
that is the reason why, Rich, any team be a Otimikoji League, no, our depth, pa. Look, Kotoko team in Rich, when Lord Amwanya available, Hamza Tabasobo, Shaibu Proud, that young guy back. So look at the depths. Sene, se Patrick Niwa. Nasa Joseph Amwa elbow Kotoko left back now. Rich, do you see any difference? Afu Krasus ho. Afu was one of the best left backer. Kotoko Koto on the field became hot bench. So I available so Enti has team no. My problem is say omo do money atu so to give them title contenders consistent performance, you know. Omundu ho. Antonim, one share you may blame the coach, you may blame the players, but Rich, you can't give what you don't have. If you see a way, untimi ma adia uni. Enti Paco money, Ransford money, Amankwabe few money has players, no. Rich, Frank Dukumono, they can't give you what they don't have. They are not omundu sa level. Your expectations on them is too high for them. That is the reality. Rich, one low one say wa will be Pilebekosro. So one low one will be Pilebekosro.
Asante Kronso Lucy to a newly promoted side, Hohoe United. 1-0. The almost point game no Yente KMZ2. Although very, very disappointed in Kotoko first half.
To be serious with you, I'm disappointed in our first half performance. I wasn't happy at all, and they had a good free kick and it resulted in a goal. So there's nothing wrong about the free kick, but I think we didn't play well in the first half. To be honest with you, we were tactical in this.
Now the second half was a much improved performance where we saw you attacking and shooting from behind. Was that a specific instruction?
That was the instruction. Because when you look at our game all the time, we create chances, we don't score. So most of our training of late is about goal scoring. Then why didn't you score? Why do you wait till you've been scored before you?
Okay, and he comes to no say first half in the day. Kotoko Oma Moshe.
Before Fiifi Bebemuno. Masama make a simple. I link with the Kotoko Tenno. Look. If a concentration in I work Kotoko ne has, you will not even appreciate Karela any what they have, any Hohoe and what they have. Karela team, they've invested in the team power, and they have one of the best coaches in Nudin Amadou. Yes, he did a good coach. Did a good coach because Waji League in that. But Rich, Amadou saw Waji League, with Samates. And Obanifia, you should expect also the quality babo. And see, it is not an analysis only from the Haas angle. Karela also had quality and a very, very good technical person. And all their show. Exactly. Now you go to Hohoe. Rich. Last Saturday, I make a captain and was some Sofian. And Umun is saying, good player. Daniel said, they know about Hohoe for 6, you know. Cookie. Or those who are willing now to free kick, say, you know. Or your toes boy. Willie, you're not to be able to those back in the song. These are very, very good players. And the last time in Timenu Babo special Watosu, he played for the Wafa old players. And boy na mechanism Daniel was at the other side. And then no ball Hohoe for number 6. Rich, do you think it's a nay? Say omun your chance no move against Kotoko. Bibi bet almost and I say Bibi. No. Now, born and shared, it was always going to be like a tight game. The difference was one mistake, not paying attention to details. Rich, Bona will share William Odro or to share. I will not take anything away from him, any technique ni the Yosibo or Boboni Yepa. But Rich, I think say Kotoko goalkeeper Mo Kamara made 2 mistakes. One shiny 1 year. And a goalkeeper there fundamentally Rich Sawotu you stand at the other side of the wall. But when the more come out, what to war on a one I want to you, and was a cogina war on a cheek. Our park in Fiifi. And it baby I quite done. I ain't war on the side no. And I will so space net on a song. Rich, then he placed it there. And for me, it was a wrong position from Mokama. And no man any chance.
Okay.
So bet me as service Africa now. Hohoe Eddie after Kyomuno.
Nation share allows a come in moment take kind about
on a Saturday.
Basake Holy Stars, Obian Shebi Media Mashi 2-1.
Yes.
Editor Chelsea Samatex. And this Ghost Stars have Ghost Stars
Chelsea first goal.
Yeah.
And the media match show. I was surprised at the end and
and so it shall become 2-1. Vision ne young apostles will be Intimi and Shebina All Blacks. Friday no cha 11 on the second normal Intimi Antikovi. Brian now. The Ghana Premier League.
Kotoko formed me a very abysmal. This was a similar form that put Nati Prosper Ogum under pressure. And in fact, eventually led to a sack. Didi Dramani, Karim Zito was supposed to come in. Now, also, Sanyo man stabilize the ship, no, but it hasn't been the same. I can always understand the conversation around players, but the form is abysmal. Which in the last 5 years,
I know as an excuse.
But for how long? You see, that's the thing with coaching. With me, the excuse are, but for how long?
About players in your doing it
exactly. Since America say whether players in one or some more, so results don't turn around that. And only Ayala was saying something around Didi Dramani. And Okrasima Didi Dramani, I can Didi Asanoka.
Yes, Okopus.
You should be a control. You should be a control.
Go Metia,
be a control. Now start here, we controlled the first ball, second ball. In the fans, they can say, bro, they are not lying. I mean, I don't mean it in a demeaning way, but then intro, he constantly says that, and it is because results name my say did he no catch us who ball control at jebo 4-3-1-1 would you a fan care on phone? But say one shall be control. That's when a carpenter will come to Bobby Man and tell you so no a carpenter, but because the results is it's because at the end of the day, a result oriented.
Yeah.
Results need one man. I say we a salesperson. They are what at the end of the day. So if the result is not there, nobody actually cares. These numbers on Kotoko are worrying. Which open to boys national Kotoko away games on Mabo in recent times when Kotoko go away from home. The last time Basake Holy Stars they lost. Hohoe United lost.
Vision Susha.
Yes, Uncle Samates Kobo draw Horum. Then Vision Uncle Kobo draw 0-0 actually. Whack Kobo honestly you trying to chim pretty crowd Horum. So Kotoko is struggling when they go away from home. But the general performance is bad. And
again, I was about the strikers who need goals, no.
And it's strikers need go.
I don't know.
What has
happened? There was a training camp. They say, "I dare come here, shooting because to me create chances, but don't mean to be check." In their training, be shooting, but still no. In the second half, I could RP game, no. Still go now,
which everybody does shooting. I'm sorry that my job is my job gives me the chance to look at things from the hindsight. And in China, maybe they need easy, or not they need easy. But I also have to do my job. Which, whether shooting or not shooting, the average Kotoko fan doesn't want to hear that. It's a Kotoko. And again, I'm not even interested in just one game against Hohoe. Because Hohoe gave them a share. Kotoko are not bad. They played good football. Especially in the second half, like he says. It's a mini problem or some match in the camp. But the many games at Kotoko are bar. The results don't seem to come. Again, Kotoko betima bobo efe nyina. It is only going to sound like as an excuse to the Kotoko fan. They be say Kozito bano because we shooting. And fan because the senior. Then okay. So say Kotoko mo bobo efe krana they will start to win to gain confidence because it is psychological ade. Area because Kwampo can shoot. Peter Amido can shoot. Those that are fit and no make me about shot ashe. But ADS psychological, you lose confidence. And reach whatever the case is. When you lose confidence, it affects you. Emotionally, it affects you. It's a confidence loss. Can a team work on a cycle of the players because the result is getting too bad? Which for a class of folk, the news said they were going away to Tamale was going to be difficult for them. Apart from that, what is going on with Benjamin Asari? Now, I want to know, Philabiana.
No. That's why I have available on pride.
But on that, And no goalkeeper no better no so you mistake.
Elementary mistake pa me will be glad keeper. Maybe no engine na make say did it or bench or no. Or has game now no more bono. Any goals no more concede na. Yes, or concede 2 goals. But maybe a game he controlled.
Operation events injury or a Benjamin Asare.
Oh, okay.
Injury on 3 matches straight.
And you have to believe it because somebody must have Umpraya he is as number 1, especially Echo World Cup here. Many also say they will jeopardize the chances.
Second choice goalkeeper no.
Agbesi.
And also
Solomon Agbesi. Only die.
And Obaya there pa.
Agbesi used to be a very good goalkeeper.
No, even in the absence of Benjamin, 3 games are not done here. He had kept clean sheet. I think it was just a bad day. It's a motivation so I'm young. Oh, yeah, almost here the house players in the 3 months. In July.
And then they say no. And they say no.
And Scano Major there.
Scano
when it is.
Ido yenye benze Range Rover.
Amusu garlic bitters